Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's me Richie Kevin here watching Want to Step YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Bank of England. So if you guys do not know Bank of England is basically a Bank of England. As it is in its name, Bank of England, it is a bank which is located in England, and it's also a government Bank of England. All right, it's not a private bank. So yeah, if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of Bank of England to know more about it. All right, if you open account in Bank of England, you can get many facilities as well. Like if you go on this website, it's gonna show you all the interest rate and all the other stuff you guys are gonna receive. All right, so let's get into the video now, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to its website. So how you guys can come to this website is basically just want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Bank of England login like this. After you search for Bank of England login, you want to click on where it says login online banking, and it's going to take you to the website called Bank of England over here. So it's going to take you to the login page. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here, which is a login page. Now once you're over here, it's pretty simple. You just enter your login information over here, like your your username or your other stuff, and after over that you want to enter a password over here. All right, after enter your username and your password, you want to submit, and if you do that, basically you should be able to log in into your account. But if you guys are not able to log in into your account, then basically you guys have not yet created the online version of Bank of England. For that, you need to visit your bank and do some paperwork. After you do that, they're going to give you the detail, and you can just type the detail over here and you can log in into your account. So yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys understand, and I will see you guys in a bit. Bye bye, and do hit that like and subscribe.